What's up, guys? So if you haven't figured it out yet already, Halloween is our favorite holiday around here. So we do a big graveyard every year. I'll show you that in a minute. But I got called out on Facebook. Someone's like, you better step up your game. And they sent me this picture. So what you're seeing is some skeletons lowering a body bag into a coffin. So challenge accepted. I did some research and I am going to show you a quick do-it-yourself video on how to make your own body bag out of some newspapers, black garbage bags, duct tape, and as you can see behind me, I got one done already. I'm gonna show you how to make one more. All right, guys, so for the first part here, we gotta make the actual body. So you're gonna need a lot of newspaper, some scotch tape, and some garbage bags. That's the second step. And a trusty beverage, Mountain Dew, whatever your, Claw for all you, White Claw fans out there. All right, so here's what we gotta do. Let's get a bigger piece of paper here. So I'm gonna take about 2 sheets, just kind of open it up like this. And then take a smaller one, like a press or something. And you're going to crumple these up. And this is going to be the head. So here you kind of got your head, and now we're going to wrap it like so into kind of that head shape. Give or take. Take some tape. Just tape this bad boy up. And it doesn't got to be pretty. All right, give or take. There's our head. Perfect. All right, head complete. Next up, we're going to take a bigger piece. And so for this, you just take newspaper, kind of crunch it up the long way. And this is going to be the shoulder section of our body. This whole thing started because we always do a lot, and then my friend on Facebook tagged me in some stuff and said, you know what, you better step it up. So did a little research, and this isn't my own recipe. I kind of I'm combining some other people I saw what they did, and I think it turned out pretty good on the first one. All right, so here's our shoulders, and then you just wrap this up a little bit like so. Yep, see, it's about me. Take some tape. And then seal this up. And again, this doesn't have to be pretty, just good enough so it sticks. All right, so we got our shoulders. And what I will do is just combine these, because eventually we're going to be throwing them in the garbage bag. All right. All right, so we got our head and shoulders. All right, now we got to do the torso. So we're basically going to do the same thing here. I take about 2 sheets. It's going to go this way. And same thing, just take some paper, wrap it up, and we will fill in our torso. If I can make just one kid cry this Halloween, I've done my job. What we're going to do, same thing as the shoulders, you just kind of wrap it up. And this can be a little looser because the torso is probably bigger. Let me just tape this up. So we got our torso. Perf. Tape this guy to the body, or to the shoulders, I guess. And flip them. Get some tummy time. Boom. And boom. Okay. So this next step, so you basically take some tape like this, kind of a longer piece, and you're going to tape it up here, and then on the side, and then we're going to fill that in with newspaper. to kind of give the body that shape of a body. Alright, let's take our paper again, crumple it, stick it in. And then the tape will hold it. But that's going to give our body a little definition. Kind of like so. I'm trying to go quick, so this isn't a 30-minute video. No one wants to watch a 30-minute video. No one wants to watch a 5-minute video anymore. But alright, so we kind of got the sides filled in there. Give it some definition. And I'm going to tape that off. Kind of like Christmas. I over tape every present. So when they go to open them, they can't. Alright. So, there you go. We got for the legs. Like I said, alright, this guy's kind of shorter. I want to make a bigger one. We're going to go full front page edition. And basically do the same thing that we did for this. Slide him here, and this will be our legs. And then again, we're going to fill this with some newspaper, like so. This can be a little skinnier. Okay. Wrap this up like we did before. How long is that going to make our guy? Alright, he's a big dude. He could play some ball. Debating where I want to put his feet. Let's do this. So we're going to tape this together here. And the best part is if you do this right with the garbage bags, at least my hope, it's going to all be reusable for next year. And for the feet, I kind of skipped this part when I watched the how-to. So what I did is take one piece like this, and just kind of crumple up again like this. So we got his feet, and we're going to fold this just so it sticks out a little. So it looks like we got some feet action. So we're going to take that and basically tape the feet right there. Boom. And that kind of gives it some definition. Alright, so there you go. So we got our body. Pretty good. Now we just got to throw the garbage bags on it. So as you can see, we got the head here, got the torsos with the tape, kind of like I talked about there. Got the torso, the legs, and the feet, kind of that bump out there a little bit. Kind of like that on this guy. He was shorter than I wanted though. So there you go. So the next step will be to apply our garbage bag to him. And for that, I just went with these bad boys from Home Depot. These are 45 to 55 gallon bags. Get whatever you want, but I think if you want a bigger one, probably a bigger bag would be better. What? So next step, like I said, we got to get the garbage bags. So let's get those. Alright. So I was hoping to do this in one. I had to use two last time. So what we're going to do is open this up.
5 minutes later.
And then what you want to do is we're going to stick the head in our bag with the shoulders. Just slide them up, and I think actually looks good. Where's the head? All right, so we're going to even this out a little. I want the head more in the middle. So there you can see, you're going to tuck it in And there's the head, almost like you're strangling. You know, Homer Simpson, Bart Simpson style. Handyman's secret weapon. All right, so now, and apply a healthy amount of duct tape. Kind of tuck that in and just wrap that around the head. You know, whether you're putting him at the bottom of a river, in a bog or a marsh, you know, we don't want anything getting out of this bag. That's what Dexter taught me. Right. So we got our head. All right. And then get the air out. Man, our guy's buff. Looks like he's got shoulder pads in. Another bag. More rain. Jeez. Now you're going to take this, slide the rest of them in. And they will overlap, which is totally good. Alright, so let's load him up. And then what I did is I actually kind of folded this in because it's so big. You could probably get smaller bags. Unless you're making like a Shaquille O'Neal dude. Alright, and then again, you're gonna, here's his feet. You want to, kind of tuck it in, get the air out. And then what you do is take some tape. And I'm actually just gonna tape these bags together. And then my hope would be, you know, I can just use these over and over. It'll keep the rain out. Yeah, you're going to want to kind of grab this, tuck it. There we go. And, you know, this doesn't have to be pretty because most of these guys, when they find them, aren't pretty. Keep adding some tape. And you got to be careful. You don't want to pull too tight. Otherwise it'll squeeze your guy, you know, too tight. Do another one about right here. There we go. So same thing with the neck, with his feet, get it kind of tighter. Give it that definition. Kind of go like this. There we go. Oh yeah. All right. That is looking pretty good, guys. I think we're pretty solid. What do you guys think? Not bad. Here's my other guy. So these guys turned out pretty good. Take a look. See what you think. Here's the one we just did. Not bad. And this was the original. Yeah, nice. What's up, guys? All right, the body bags are complete. I ended up making 3 of them. I added them to the graveyard. Now I'm gonna take you for a tour. Welcome to the graveyard. Here we go. Here's body bag number 1. Yeah, looking good. Body bag number 2. And for the grand finale, we got our 2 pallbearers getting ready to put body bag number 3 into the ground. for the rest of the graveyard. What's up, guys? So that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Go out, make some body bags of your own, decorate, have some fun. Happy Halloween. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we will see you next time.